So how do you move contacts from Android to iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're first time on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So two methods. First of all, on your Android, you might connect and sync your contacts with a different account. For example, a Gmail account. So if I go to manage my contacts in here and tap on a sync, I can add my Google account there and enable the synchronization. And the point is that I can then go to my iPhone, go to the settings, apps, and contacts, and I'll be able to add any account in here as well. So I'll be able to sign in with my Gmail account, which I used to sync my contacts on the Android, and the very same people are going to appear on my iPhone as well. So that would be one way of doing that. On the other hand, you can also go to your Contacts app on the Android, tap on Manage Contacts, and tap on Export, which will let you export the contacts in a vCard format. This will then be saved in your files, but you can put it on the Google Drive or share it over email, but somehow move it to your phone, right? But on the iPhone, we don't have the importing capabilities, and we can only use the web version on a computer. So on a computer, we can go to iCloud.com, sign in with our Apple ID, locate the contacts, and then tap on the plus button to import the contact. And then we're going to use the file, the export from Android, and bring the contacts to iCloud, which will naturally show up on the iPhone as well. It might be a little bit complicated, or it might seem that way, but I don't believe it's really that big of a deal. It should work out well for you. So let me know in the comments below if you did successfully make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.